didn't believe it was really him at first, but then I received another call from the very person who I thought was pretending to be him. It caused quite a stir in my office. Come on, children.
Is everything all right?
Everything's fine. It's me. I just dressed up like your father and jazzed your kids to get you out of here. What do you mean? I'm taking you out of here. That place is riddled with goat flu, so I'm gonna homeschool you kids. Oh, okay.
Dad, where did you get the car?
I borrowed it from Quagmire. He got home, she got abducted by aliens one day.
So do you guys just not do the anal probe anymore? Is that...
No, that's more or less been retired.
I see. You still have the thing?